Hey guys, good morning. So it's a Sunday morning today. Mag-church kami. So yun. Hindi ko makita yung aking hanap tayo ng socks. Yun, yung church namin guys, Victory St. John's. Sa mga wala pang church na subscriber namin or you're considering mag-try ng Filipino church. So marami namang mga Filipino church, pero kung gusto nyo lang i-try yung sa amin, ang pangalan ng church namin Victory St. John's. Pwede nyo po yun i-search sa Facebook. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box. And yun, lalagay ko din yung address namin and yung time ng service sa mga subscribers namin na gustong makipag-fellowship or sa mga kapwa Pilipino na mag-church. Yun, try niyo po. Which one? No, not this one. The one you last night?
Me.
I'm still editing it.
How many times this repeats? It repeats so many times.
I don't know.
I'll keep on doing like this. Like that. When
What's
I
that?
finish this Pokemon, and when I do like that, it's gonna come back.
Of course, you're shuffling it.
Yes, I am. And then, it's back.
Yes, you're shuffling it.
Yes, I am, but I'm just doing at the back. Not shuffling. I don't know what that means. What is that? Shuffling, that means like,
Tama na. Happy Sunday! Maano na naman, ma-snowy na naman ang umaga. And meron na naman, magkakaroon na naman ng snow this week. So yun guys, sama namin kayo ulit kung saan kami pupunta today. So yun sa church, and then later hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami pupunta.
What is how it's
You're rushing in when I hear you call. Oh Lord, I know you hear me when I call. Your open and stretched wings fill my joy. I will not be wrong. You hold me close.
Plentiful, but the workers are few. So ask the Lord of the harvest, and she is willing to be part of the workers to do the harvest. So,
Lift my hands to believe again.
our belief in you, Father God, today, Lord, let faith arise.
So guys, tapos na kami mag-church. So yun yung church namin.
church.
And it's 2:52 PM.
Ayun!
And gusto nilang pumunta sa Avalon. Actually, gusto namin pumunta ang Avalon.
Madali kasi tayo kagabi, kahapon eh.
Oo.
Ang hour lang.
So hindi kami masyado nakapag-ikot-ikot doon. Kaya ngayon, pupunta kami ulit doon. Guys, sale dito. Grabe. 70%. Si Hani maraming nakuha.
Lakers.
Ayan o. Magkano na lang yan?
$14.99.
Ayan o, $14.99 na lang. 70% na yung mga ano nila. 50, 70%. Yun nga, $4 na lang yan o. Yan, $4. Yeah. It's for babae. This is where we will, this is where we will go out. Pauwi na kami. Si Honey. Yan. Ano ba nabili natin today? Yon, yung sale doon sa sa isang shop. 70% yung nakabili si Honey ng
Maraming sale, kaya mahirap umikot.
matitempt bumili.
Temptation is real.
Tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng panahon. Pero magkakaroon ng snowstorm. Ganyan lagi yan before snowstorm. Ang ganda ng weather.
I-shoutout ko pala si Sir. Nakita ko siya, si Sir Peter. Subscriber daw natin siya. So, yun. Sabi ko, hindi na daw kami nag-upload masyado. Sabi
Thank
ko,
you.
medyo na busy lang. Thank you sa mga subscribers namin na hindi nagsasawa. Kahit wala kaming vlog.
Oo nga eh.
Wala kasing bago na pupuntahan eh. Kaya wala masyadong upload eh.
Kaya,
Bale, malapit na mag-summer.
pag nag-summer,
Mag-explore ulit tayo ng mga
pasyal-pasyal
lugar.
tayo ulit. So, tayo na. Uwi na tayo. Dumaan lang kami dito sa may goodie store, guys. Yan, dumaan lang kami dito sa goodies. Wala eh.
May cash ka ba?
Wala akong cash. So yun nga guys, dumaan kami sa goodies. Bumili lang kami ng actually gusto ko sana bumili ng yung frozen na saba. Kaya lang wala. Ayaw na namin pumunta sa tindahan ni Kuya Brett.
Thank you. Enough waiting.
Gusto ko sana ng turon. Yan. Yung mga bata bumili lang sila ng juice kanina and meron ako nakita. Can you give me that that probiotic drink? So, nakita kong ganito. Hindi ko sure kung lasang to eh. Kung lasa siyang Yakult.
No, it's a hammer.
So,
No. You see, I did.
malalaman natin siya. Nabili namin siya sa
Only my hair.
Nag-crave din ako ng ng tawag nito, Yakult. So, plain lang siya. Yung iba kasi parang may flavor. Yan o.
Zion, do this.
Ay, ano siya?
Do this.
Frozen?
Because you said
It's
Zion.
frozen. Baby, it's frozen.
So this is the same thing as you.
It is frozen. Kaya pala sabi ko, inaalog ko kanina. Okay. So sabi dito, keep frozen. Consume within 28 days after defrosting. Shake well before drinking. Oh, okay. So kailangan pa natin siya i-defrost.
We have to put it after 28 days.
No, because this is frozen. So this one is frozen. It's frozen. Don't open it. So we have to defrost it. We have
Frozen? Why is it frozen?
we have to maybe so that they can preserve it. So we have to defrost this one. Let it melt. So when it melts, you have 28 days to finish it. So we should
Hurry.
no, 28 days, that's enough time. Hello. Ayan o. Ito, pwede ko na siyang inumin. Ito.
There's one not frozen.
It's oo, yan o.
There's one not frozen.
Yeah, we can try.
There's only one not frozen, and the rest of these are like what?
Oh, mamaya na.
This one is frozen. The rest of them are frozen.
Wait. Guys, lasang Yakult.
Wanna try?
Yeah, lasang Yakult.
I wanna try.
It's so nice.
It is.
Try it. To show, probiotic drink.
No.
Plain flavor sa tawag
Giddy
nito,
up, bad boy.
the goodie store.
Giddy up, bad boy.
It's nice. You like it?
I am a
Sige na yun. Finish it.
I am mission in the first.
Ito na pala mahanap yung palalasang Yakult siya, guys.
Turn
Nako.
the light on.
Kasi ang mamahal talaga ng Yakult
Turn the light on.
itself, parang 3 something lang to eh. Yan siya oh.
Close the light. Turn on. And it says giddy up.
So, yung mga mahilig sa Yakult, kasi may nakita kong Yakult sa mga Filipino store, sobrang mahal. So, ito parang 3 something lang siya. So, yun guys. Uwi na kami.